Hey guys, welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. In this video, we're going to talk about CPA marketing, what it is and how to make it work for you. So first of all, let's understand what is CPA marketing. So CPA marketing is a type of marketing that rewards the customer for completing a desired action, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. So this type of marketing is popular among many different industries and is often seen as an alternative to traditional advertising. So a CPA marketing campaign can be set up into two ways, either by paying the customer for completing the desired action or by giving them something free in exchange for their contact information. After understanding what is CPA marketing, let's look at the benefits of CPA marketing, right? So the CPA marketing is a popular and effective way to generate leads, and it's an advertising method that pays you for each lead you send to the company. So this form of marketing is also known as cost per acquisition or cost per lead. So the benefit of CPA marketing are: you maintain 100% control over who you want to work with, which means you can only accept clients who will benefit your business in the long term. Number two, you get paid for every lead that is generated by your advertisement, so there is no need to worry about paying for ads that don't work. All the money goes into your pocket. Number three, CPA marketing allows you to make a profit even if you're not selling anything. Those are the benefits of CPA marketing. Now let's look at the disadvantages of CPA marketing. First of all, it's difficult to find quality leads, which means it can be quite challenging to generate revenue. Number two, you need a lot of patience and time spent on generating quality CPA leads before you will see the result in your bank account. So that means making money on CPA marketing, sometimes it's challenging. After understanding that, let's look at how to choose the right CPA network for your business. So choosing the CPA network is not that easy, as there are so many different networks available and it can be hard to tell which one is best for your needs. So if you're not sure which CPA network will suit your needs, here are some factors you need to consider. So first, what are you looking for in a CPA network? What is your budget? What type of offer do you want to promote? What is your business type? Do you want to offer specific products or services? What are your audience interest and demographics? So there are so many different parameters that should be considered when choosing a network. It just depends on what individual is looking for their CPA network. I want to finalize this video by giving you the tips and tricks for making your CPA campaign work. Offer an incentive or bonus for people who sign up for your campaign. This can be in the form of an item, service, or some other benefits that is relevant to the campaign. Two, make sure you are targeting the right audience. So if you're targeting a very specific audience, then it's important to make sure that they know about your campaign. You can do this by using Facebook ads or Google adverts. So to target people with specific interest in your niche. Number three, use a video ads on Facebook and Instagram because they are more eye-catching and have higher engagement. Finally, send out emails with the content offers on them to subscribers who have opted in. So guys, that's all I can share with you about CPA marketing, and also hope you found it useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.